coming up on 23rd, and then we're gonna hang a right, hit Murphy, and this corner house will be where the kid and I were whenever I saved his ass and myself. Okay, here it is right here. Here's the garage. Yeah, see, check it out. Here's the home where I was at, taking care of the kid. You know, it doesn't look so bad, but if you could see more of it. Hey, my car is still here. Oh, I guess they pushed it back. Here's my car. Maybe my sunglasses are in there. I'm hoping. I guess the car wasn't as bad as I thought it was.
If you don't sign that, we can't do anything with it.
I'm gonna walk up. Here's my car. It's actually in a lot better shape than I thought it would be. As you can see, it's pretty badly banged up. But, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if it still started. Anyway, here's the house that I was in. It used to be, you know, perpendicular to the ground, but it's not anymore. I'm not really sure if I should go inside. But I need to for the kid. Dad, I'm gonna go in.
Okay.
Craig, I'm risking my life for your PlayStation. Well, then get my fat ass up here. Okay. Here's the inside of the house where we were at. As you can see, it's just a pit, man. Here's the bathroom that we were in. Here's the bathtub. This door is the only thing that kept me alive. Here's the room we were in. Yeah, that's the bathroom door. Saved my ass. I wouldn't go in there though. It's got glass and shit everywhere. Here's the living room. We just got lucky. So we're gonna be coming back for more of this, hopefully, if his dad says it's okay. But yeah, this is where I was the night that it happened. We got really lucky though, because we were just on the border. But still, just that edge, man. This is what it did. There's the ceiling that was ripping off during the middle of it, and just, it's crazy stuff. Crazy, crazy stuff. Once again, it's the room I survived in. So, I'm out. Alright, we're now passing St. John's. They lost the top 2 floors right there. There were 5 deaths recorded so far. 1 of them was just, you know, due to debris, and 4 of them were because the ventilators lost power and they basically just suffocated. As you guys have probably seen on the news, the chopper was completely demolished. So they couldn't air flight anybody, and it's not like they could land anywhere anyway. This used to be a gas station right here, and now it's a relief hut. And every day it's been storming every day. We haven't had a break. And it looks like, as you can see from the sky, that it's probably going to start raining again. But the night it happened, there were just rogue fires and everything. I'm 24 years old at the time this is going on, by the way. So when I look back, if we don't die next year, I'm hoping that I'll see what kind of shit that I just went through. But like I said, I'm lucky that we survived without any, bodily harm, but it's still just hard. Pharmacies, therapy centers. It's just so much to take in.